Hey there, welcome to the channel. My name is Dave and this is my Mazda RX-7 FD build. My plan is to build the perfect RX-7 there is. And the first step of the plan, it's the one I started on the last episode, it's the engine swap. So I'm currently swapping the engine to the 3-rotor. It involves a lot of work, a lot of custom work, because it's not a perfect fit in the car. So let's get to work. So after 28 years, all of these rubber hoses feels like they're really hard. So I'm gonna have to replace all of them because otherwise they're gonna break or something. Man, look at this. What a mess. Wow. And all of these rubber hoses are breaking. So this is the 2 rotors, which are underneath right here. And with the 3-rotor, we're gonna add one about here. And obviously we're gonna need more space towards this end. And for that, it's not a perfect fit. I need to do some custom work, or at least buy like a subframe, a custom subframe that's gonna bolt on the frame of the car actually. Okay, so I just unplugged my fuel lines, and a little trick I use, and it's kind of funny, is to use balloons to close the holes of the lines, just to make sure any debris or stuff like that gets to the injector and clogs them. It's like a party here. So there's a lot of stuff going on. These wires are really everywhere. Yeah, it's everywhere, but it's coming along nicely. So. So I realized that at some point I would need a hand, especially to separate the transmission from the engine. So I asked my dad if he wanted to join in the project, and he accepted. So one tricky part, when we tried to separate the transmission from the engine, there was like a locking piece that would hold the two pieces together. So it took a while to find out, but we finally did. So the engine is out, and quite honestly, that was the easy part. Now the fun part begins, the part that have to fit the new engine in the car, and from here it's all custom work. So I'll have to look at my subframe options. That will be the first part. So if you guys went through this, let me know what's the easiest, what's the best for the car, because I know there's a problem with the steering rack because we're gonna have to move it, and I think it changes the way the car feels on the road. So obviously we're gonna need a bigger subframe, and because otherwise the oil pan is gonna be in the way. The steering rack was sitting right here, and we're gonna have to move it like about here, and for that we're gonna need like an adapter or something to make it fit. I have to think about all of this. So these are my subframe options. So as you can see, they're pretty cool. They're already bolt on to the frame of the car, and the cool thing about these ones is we can use the existing transmission brace, so there's no adjustments needed right there, and these ones is about the same thing. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel and you won't miss any of the project. And the fun part, honestly, is gonna be on the other episodes where I'm gonna sit the engine in, and I think it's gonna be a really fun experience. So thanks for watching.